Hello and welcome to another free article release from Optiux Marketing. Today's topic is How to Start Online Business with No Money, 2020 Updated. Do you want to learn how to start online business with no money in 2020? It's not unusual to dream about owning a business. In fact, in the contemporary scenario of 2019, most people prefer to run a business and not service. This is because, unlike in service, a business gives you the freedom to run an enterprise on your own without committing to any boss. It's time to be your boss that you always wanted to be. Hang on, take a deep breath, because we got you covered. No more worrying about investing money in business or losing it on the way. What if you don't require any money to start a business? Curious? Surprised? Shocked? If you are, this article is going to help you immensely. To read the full article, go to www.optiux.com or click the link below.